how to fix a blocked Telegram channel on your Android device. Before we begin, let's understand what it means for a Telegram channel to be blocked. Channels can get blocked due to various reasons such as violating Telegram's policy or receiving reports for spamming. The first thing you'll want to do is check if your channel is actually blocked. Open your Telegram app on your Android device, then navigate to the channel that you suspect is blocked. Look for any messages indicating that the channel has been blocked. If you find that your channel is indeed blocked, don't worry, here are the steps that you can take to resolve these issues. What you can do is contact Telegram support. Open Google Chrome and search for Telegram support. Now you can appeal the block directly through Telegram's appeal form. Go to Telegram's official website or use the link and fill out the appeal form with accurate information, including your channel details and why you believe the block should have been lifted. If contacting support or appealing the block doesn't work immediately, consider these alternatives. Create a new channel and ensure it complies with Telegram's guidelines. Wait for Telegram support to respond, as it may take some time for them to review your request. And that's it for today's tutorial on how to fix a blocked Telegram channel on your Android device. Hopefully this guide has been helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.